Hi, I'm Sara from Stampin Up, and today I'm here to help you create your Christmas Whimsy Card Kit projects. Each of these beautiful cards is an original design created by our in-house artists. These cards incorporate intricate detail and feature a unique, whimsical style. I'm going to leave these finished projects on the table as a point of reference. Here's everything you'll need to complete your projects. Most everything is in your kit, but you'll also need a pair of scissors. And don't forget to refer to your printed step-by-step instructions. By separating and sorting your elements by project, you'll be totally set up for success. If you have any questions about the products I use in this video, feel free to check out our What's What in Your Kit video linked in the description below. For me, it's easier to create one project at a time. Now that we're set up for success, let's get started. I prefer to do my stamping first. Stamp before you stick, right? Stamping can be intimidating at first, but don't worry, we've got this. We'll need our block, stamp set, and ink spot. Place your desired stamp on your block, open your ink spot, and we're good to go. Here are the components you'll be stamping for each project. For this kit, you'll be stamping sentiments on labels, as well as the background on each of the card bases. If you want to practice first, go ahead and stamp a time or two on your chipboard. When you're ready to stamp, ink your image and press down firmly and evenly. Now you'll need to stamp multiple images, so just grab a wet cloth, paper towel, or baby wipe to clean your stamp and put it back on your stamp sheet. To create the background on the card bases, you will use the background stamp repeatedly. I recommend that you ink your stamp each time, and there you go. When stamping your background, it's okay to fold your card in half and have the image come off of the card. That way you can place it exactly where you want it. What's great about these photopolymer stamps is that you can see where you're stamping. This kit also includes a sentiment stamp you can use inside the card. For more tips on stamping, check out our How to Stamp video linked in the description. Now that we've stamped everything, we're ready to adhere it all together and embellish our project. As we go through each project, feel free to refer to your instructions or pause or rewind the video as we go along. It's totally okay to craft at your own pace. Each of these projects requires this gold cord. I'm going to use my instruction sheet and the little ruler along the bottom to measure and cut the cord needed. Use adhesive dots for adding flat images or dimensionals for added height. Your instructions are a great resource for seeing what adhesive is used where. Rather than trying to adhere the gold cord to the card itself, it will be easier to adhere it to the back of the greeting label with adhesive dots. For the final step, add the blue star sequence to the background and the gold foil star to the elf's hand. Put the cord through the tag before adhering the tag to the card with dimensionals. Don't forget to add the snowflake sequence to the background of the card. Don't forget, this kit includes the optional greeting for inside the card. Look at these beautiful projects! Now, our projects may not look exactly the same, and that's totally okay. Your personal touch and creativity is what makes them special. I'm excited to share these cards with people I care about, and I hope you'll share yours as well. If you liked crafting with the kit today, we have more kits to choose from at our online store. Click Shop Products and then Kits Collection to choose your next creative experience. Enjoy!